Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your MacBook. Are you ready? Let's get started. So this is my desktop, as you can see, and in the corner, click on the Apple icon and choose System Preferences, System Setting, and here on the left side we have different options. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, and you should click on display. Here you can change the font of your display, larger text, default, more space, and something like that. And here click on wallpaper. Here you can change the background of your MacBook. So as you can see, my background is this photo. When I click on that, it will change, and you can choose many things. And from here you can add different colors, as you can see. But I don't like the color, I like this photo. Yes, very easy and very simple. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.